So don't lose this red cap. This is going to keep your crystal, your precision glue gel stay really nice and prevent from clogging on the needles. That's when you need to use it. So first thing first, I usually doing it, give a little exam, and when you feel is scratchy, you're gonna using just little, that much. Little will go a long way. You don't need to have like too much. To get it sealed. So I'm gonna do a check on the base of this. This is build really a good base for this spinning bear. All right, so I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds and moving on to the next one. And I'm gonna seal. You see that I'm seals on the top of the beads and the metal beads and the frame, but I'm not sealing on the top of the crystal. You don't want to destroy the sparkle and the shines from your crystal. But then you want to protect all that is metal beads, so then it won't be turning tarnish after you're washing your hand or using a hand sanitizer. So keep for 60 seconds on this one. And also if you feel still scratchy after you seal your precision glue gel, feel free to do it again, but each layer you're gonna do it for flash cure for 10 seconds. So on any of the glow in the dark crystal kits, you are going to receiving a free crystal trifecta. Thank you so much, Mia, for an amazing batch. Thank you so much for love and support. And this is the look of the crystal trifecta. If you are having a really hard time with your crystal, that's going to be your bestie. And this is I think a kiss number 1. And for a lot of you try to get a kiss number 1 before and it's sold out, it's back in the stock now, so grab it, yours, before it's gone again. And then this time you are having is like really awesome amount of your frame and charms and beads in gold and also in silver as well. So if you get one of these 3 kits, you are going to get your free crystal trifecta. If you get like 3 kits, you get 3 trifecta free. If you get 1, you will get 1 trifecta. So then this is the sister kits with glow in the dark, and this is the neon kits, and also still viable for you to grab yours too. And then in this you are getting all of your metals really amazing with all a different shape. This is one of my fave shape for the neon as well. And this is the first kit of that's I just using from the designs. So grab yours. Thank you so much, Mia. Thank you so much, everyone. So let me wipe off the residues on the crystals. It's so beautiful and it's so gorgeous, so sparkle. So I hope you really